The DCI bullet-resistant door and frame system is precision-engineered to provide protection against assault, vandalism, and bullet penetration when a life may depend on it. Let's look at some handgun and rifle live-fire tests. First up is .357 Magnum against a DCI Level 3 and 5 door. As you can see, the DCI door is so tough it either retains the rounds or effortlessly swats them down. Nice try, .357. Our next test is 9mm against the same DCI Level 3 and 5 door. 9mm rounds travel at about 1,250 feet per second and pack 400 foot-pounds of force. Even with tight groupings, there's no penetration or deformation, and the door core is not compromised. Let's watch again. Next up is the .40 S&W, a favorite of law enforcement. Wow, not much happening here. The tight grouping of the shots is almost counterproductive as the rounds pile up on each other. Again, without any real penetration or deformation. Let's look at it again. Onto the .45 ACP, one of the most revered and successful handgun rounds ever made. This is almost hard to watch. The round with the legendary stopping power is not even a contender against the DCI bullet-resistant door. Who's legendary now? Let's see it again. As you can see, there's no trickery here. After all 4 tests, there is zero penetration or damage to the back of the door. Absolutely none. Now on to some heavy artillery with a .308 versus a DCI Level 8 door. Notice there's very little surface damage and no penetration or deformation, even with a very tight grouping. Slow motion really tells the story, as the rounds literally explode upon impact. Finally, we tested the 7mm Magnum, a truly fearsome round on the same door. There is some penetration due to the smaller diameter of the 7mm. Note the visible shockwaves in the slow-motion replay, as the 7mm hits with over 3,000 foot-pounds of force. When we look at the back of the rifle test door, there's absolutely no penetration, only slight bulging from the massive energy transfer of 6 high-powered rifle rounds. Feels safer yet? In addition to ultra-high performance, our efficient lean supply chain manufacturing process allows bullet-resistant doors to schedule the same as a standard hollow metal door, so there are no delays. You get what you need when you need it. DCI has also achieved Elite SDI certification. Learn more at DCIHollowmetal.com/SDI certified. Thanks for watching.